go into our Urdhva Dhanurasana. You can do Urdhva Dhanurasana with blocks, which actually help if you still feel like you are very tight. You don't have to. Okay. Please watch me first. The key of heart opening in wheel pose, hopefully we open the hip flexor enough. Hopefully our lower back is ready enough. And hopefully we have enough chest opening, but we're gonna get more out from Urdhva Dhanurasana if we take the time to get more out from the chest. And I want to show you how you do that part specifically. I'm gonna do it with the block. And you actually have a palms in front of the block. There. Right here. And the heel of my palm is really pressed into the block completely. That is, it helped me to feel safer on the extension of the wrist. Some of you can have your palm on the block completely, right? That height is also really helpful. But let me show you my version of the hand first. Wherever your palms are is not as important as this part. So get yourself onto the top of your head. Okay. And then adjust the width of your palms and your elbow. Make sure you feel comfortable, right? Your feet hip distance apart. You try to walk in the best you can. Before you go up, now draw your shoulder blades back toward your ears and you press your feet into the floor and send your chest into the wall. You see that? Shoulder blades back, feet on the ground, and send the chest into the wall. That's the heart opening. Now make sure that your neck is nice and safe. Open that as much as you can first before you push the floor away from you and come off from the ground. And you can still start to repeating that. And of course, you have to have a strong upper body strength here. You bend on your elbow slightly. Draw your shoulder blades back. Put your feet into the mat and send your heart forward into the wall. And make your arm as straight as you can. And when you come down, tuck your chin in toward your chest and come back down. And rest. Did you see that?